We've got another timing belt kit here, you could call it that. That is going to be going free or cheap. Postage and handling type, waste of my time really. But anyway, no point it sitting here on the shelf. Our customers use our genuine parts. This vehicle had a BFE kit installed. That's all genuine Toyota parts and everything else in the kit, not just this stuff, you know, water pump, drive belt, bearings, thermostat, all that stuff. We've got the BFE kit. If you want to know more, stay tuned, subscribe, turn the bell on, check out the BFE playlist. But this is just meant to be a quick video to tell you I've got a low kilometre. It's about 10,000 Ks, gates, timing belt. If you're happy with this, if you can't afford the BFE kit and you need a timing belt, it's got the gates tensioner. All right, so there it is, the tensioner. Oh, sorry, that's the idler. Anyway, you get that. This is the tensioner. Right, see, Gates brand. I don't know if it's any good or not, but you can see it's all clean, new, low kilometres. 110 bucks delivered to your door anywhere in Australia. Once it's sold, I'll change the name of the video so you know it's sold. First in, best dress, first to pay. Text me now. Text message is the way to contact me. Thank you. See ya. It's all listed on the Prado Hospital Facebook page. If you're ever going to buy anything off me, follow the Prado Hospital Facebook page on Facebook, of course.